is you good? Because I want to know. Is this so? Yes. Okay, so I went to the store, and I just want you to know that just like fruits, just like candy, you can have different types of fruits. All right, this is like just mango slices. Okay, you can just have mango slices, and then you can have like I've got some blueberries. Okay, they're good. Yum 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 yum. And then whoop, oh man, I dropped my cherries. All right, there's cherries. Those are good. You have your bananas. And I forgot what kind of cherry this is. But isn't it cute? Okay, so you have all kinds of different type of, and they're all good for you. So you make sure that you try some sometime. Okay. Oh yeah, this was probably a pepper. And peppers are really, peppers are peppers are really peppers. Okay, I just
Here's some water.
No! I'm sorry, Nina. It's made it worse. I need some else. Hurry up! Hurry up! Just give it to me! Just give it to me! Just give it to me! Give it to. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Okay, give it to me! Gosh! Open it. Open it. Hurry up. Open it. Oh my God. I need something else. I need something else. My face is over. Hurry! No, I'm serious. I need. SK, no. SK, hurry. No. Give me some. You're so slow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God. You keep giving me water. It's not working. I'll be dead.